Number 1, thing. What is that slimy thing in your desk? Thing. Number 2, thin. I love the new thin pretzels they sell at the grocery store. Thin. Number 3, think. The little engine that could says, I think I can, I think I can. Think. Number 4, bath. It is important to take a bath so that you don't stink. Bath. Number 5, math. Sometimes we go on iReady to get stronger in math. Math. Number 6, sing. I like to sing in the shower. Sing. Number 7, ring. I wear a ring on my finger. Ring. Number 8, wing. There was a blue spot on the wing of the bird. Wing. Number 9, king. A lion is known as the king of the jungle. King. And number 10, swing. I like to swing when I go to the playground. Swing. Okay, I want you to scroll back up and make sure that you've spelled all the words correctly. Sound them out, all the sounds. Number 1, thing. 2, thin. 3, think. 4, bath. 5, math. 6, sing. 7, ring. 8, wing. 9, king. And 10, swing.